to show you a filter here, and there's that on the left hand side. There's that little blue arrow which shows airflow. In this case, it's a MERV rating of 11. The size is 16 by 20 by 1. So the airflow is going into that furnace. Let's come in here. Let's slide this furnace filter right out. There we are. That's out. Now we're gonna put the new one in. If we got it going in the right orientation, the airflow is entering the furnace. There we go. That's exactly what you have to do to keep the air quality in your home up to snuff.